Everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 GLB 250 4MATIC. This Mercedes-Benz for sale comes in a black exterior with a tan interior. And we'll come around to the back here. You can see our GLB 250 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And now we'll look at the driver's side. So we do have heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Got our driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 2,764. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our Mercedes-Benz touchscreen display currently showing the navigation, backup camera, and radio. Below that we have our climate control. And command module here for controlling the display. And Mercedes-Benz shifter. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.